Oxford Digital's powerful reporting hub provides a clear view of student performance while offering deeper insights, exports with ease, and flexibility of use. For the purposes of this video, we'll be using a sample of Oxford Humanities Year 7 for the Victorian curriculum, but this experience is consistent across all products on this new Oxford Digital platform. After selecting your series from the Oxford Digital homepage, click the Reports icon on the sidebar menu. In the Reporting Hub, you can see all available reports ordered by module. You can scroll through all assessments within a module and view reports of your class's performance. All reports are color-coded for ease of use as the teacher, but these are only available to the teacher and can be toggled on or off by level, above, on, or below. When you have navigated to an assessment you want to dig deeper into, you can click Compare Responses to see every student's responses, allowing you to quickly gauge strengths, weaknesses, and misunderstandings in your students. You can also see where certain students did not attempt to answer the question. If you want offline access to reports, you can download them as a .csv file. Questions that are manually marked will also display in the Reporting Hub. When marking questions in Oxford Digital, you can choose to mark student by student, or you can choose to mark by question. We recently added this feature to reduce cognitive load and to enable teachers to mark work more consistently across a class. To access the marking system in Oxford Digital, navigate to a non-auto marked assessment and click on the pencil icon. To start marking, click Mark by Question. You will now be presented with a list of questions that are available for marking. Click on whichever question you would like to start with. For reference while marking, a sample answer will be provided. Once I'm ready, I can expand each student with the arrow mark and make my assessments. You can also follow the same system to manually adjust marks on auto-marked assessments. In Oxford Digital, you can now add your own custom tests and view these results alongside Oxford assessments. To get started, click the blue plus icon. Here, you can give your assessment a title, assign a grading scheme, and add notes on the custom assessment. Once you have created the assessment, click View. Here, you will see a list of all students in your class in the Custom Test tab. For this assessment, we used a standard letter grade system. To assign each student their mark, simply click the pen and paper icon below Grade on each student and select the mark as such. If you wish to change the title, grading scheme, or the note on the assessment, simply click Edit.